Several years ago, my STEM students followed an online example and built a hydraulic robotic arm that could pick up and move an empty soda can. Today, I'm going to build something similar using servos. At first, that sounded simpler. Learn a little Arduino, hook up a few motors, and make it move. After spending some time learning the electronics, I ran into a different kind of problem. All the technology in the world doesn't replace basic mechanics. I had placed the servo inside the sweep of the rotating base, and it immediately ran into itself. Nothing wrong with the code, nothing wrong with the wiring. Just a mechanical mistake right out of the gate. So before worrying about better parts or better software, I needed to find out where motion is actually possible. That starts by marking the outer limits of the rotating base and keeping everything else out of that area. Some people would jump straight to CAD and a 3D printer for this kind of work, but cardboard makes it practical to figure out the shape first. It's quick to change, and nothing important is wasted if it's wrong. Right now, the goal isn't a finished arm. It's understanding the geometry. That also means the pieces have to be made carefully enough that alignment means something. If the cuts are rough, parts won't sit where I think they should be, and I end up chasing problems I created myself. The edges all need to be clean and square, and the uprights need to stay straight and perpendicular to the base. When the arm is short, you will barely notice small errors, but as it gets longer, those errors multiply, and the joints can't properly support the load. Looking back, the first version failed, simply because I didn't account for the space a rotating joint actually needs. The horn, the servo body, and the arm attached to it all occupy space as they move. Before building the arm itself, the base has to rotate freely and stay stable. Nothing else works until that does. With this preliminary step completed, I have a stable working base to build part 2 of this servo robotic arm, which should be coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next part of the build.